Alright, welcome back to the K4 Fish channel where we're going to be finishing up that RODI install. But before we go down there, let's go over what we're going to need to finish this up. Obviously, we're going to need the RODI down below. We're also going to need this easy angle stop adapter. We're going to need the drain saddle clamp and the ball valve. Now, if you have copper tubing, you're also going to need this self-piercing saddle valve for copper tubing. Now, this definitely is a permanent, as you can see, right there, the little pin right there, that's what's going to pierce the copper tubing to get you your water flow. So yeah, if you have copper pipes, you're going to be using this. Unfortunately, we're not going to show this being used, so we're going to go on with the show using our easy angle stop adapter, which is that guy right there. Now for the tools, you're going to need a little plumber's tape. You're going to need the channel locks, Phillips head screwdriver, and a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Alright, let's get down here and show you what's going on. Now, of course, nothing could be easy here at the K4 Fish house. So right now I'm showing you the valve where the black easy stop was supposed to go. It's supposed to tie in right there between the flexible tubing and the cold water valve. Unfortunately, mine's crimped on instead of using a nut, so wasn't able to take that off, didn't want to mess with it, so had to run to the hardware store and get some more parts. All I did was I got another piece of 12-inch flexible tubing, and I also got this universal valve adapter kit. Now it comes with two pieces. It's got the 1/2 inch and 3/8, but we end up using a 3/8 to 3/8. Now that's what I needed to make my union, so I can do that. There you go. So there's the old piece of flexible tubing on the bottom and the new piece of flexible tubing on the top. So there you have it. That's our valve installed right there. There we go. It's nice and clear. So yeah, I used the plumber's tape in between the fittings just to make sure we got no leaks and go and place together. Now, so that's where your red line's gonna go. It's the feed line, and then right about 1.5 inches, 2 inches away from it, you can kind of see right there, that's the ball valve. So essentially that's what's going to turn on and off your RODI system. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Nope, of course not. There it is. And wow. Huh. You should see it right there. That's the ball valve. So following the red line, it leads right back into the RODI system, which we got set up right back there. Now the waste line, which is the black line, you'll see it just snaking up this way, and there we go. So that's where we put the waste line. Now when you install your waste line, there's a sink, that's the drain pipe, and that's where we drilled. You definitely want to drill above the catch right here. So yeah, we drilled well above it. And if you also have this trash compactor dicing garbage thing, well, you also want to drill above that. So that's what we did. We stayed above everything, and that's where our drain line goes. That's where you would have your drill out. You want to drill your 1/4 inch hole right there, and then go ahead and grab your screwdriver and attach all the other clamps. It's actually really straightforward, really easy to do. Now I went ahead and attached that too. Now that's right there a check valve. That's only going to allow the water to go one way. This way, something happens and all this right here ends up getting clogged and the water backing up. You don't have to worry about water going back down this black line all the way back in your system. Definitely don't want to contaminate anything. So just as a fail-safe, went ahead and put the check valve right in there. So just to recap, we have water going in. It's hitting the ball valve. Turn the ball valve on. Water goes there. You got a waistline. Waistline goes above the catch, above trash compactor. We're all good there. And now this is where it gets kind of tricky. Of course, with everything, I kind of want to get a little fancy. So you're going to see an additional T right there. And the addition of not one, but two more ball valves. And some clear tubing and some blue tubing. Okay, so this is what we did. Really just want to utilize this thing as much as I can. So what we did was made this multifunctional. The clear line is for just the RO. This is so if the wife wants to make a few gallons of drinking water, she's going to utilize the clear line, just going with the RO water. Then when it's my turn to make RO-DI water, well then I'll turn the valves and go with the blue line, which is the RO-DI line. So there you have it. It's actually fairly simple. So if you want to do the same thing and utilize it that way, normally this blue line right here will be going straight up into the DI canister. So before it gets there, all I did was I installed this T and teed it off. I put a ball valve here and a ball valve up here. So if you want to make just RO water, you have this one closed like it is, and then this one you set it to open, and you know it's open when it's pointing towards the line. So this one's open. Now just as easy to make DI water. Go ahead, close this one up, and yeah, open up. There we go. You open up this one. So now you're making RO DI water. Just that easy. Again, all these parts you can find at your local hardware store. I picked up the extra tubing, the adapter if you need it, the other piece of flexible tubing, the clear 1/4-inch tubing from picked all that up from Lowe's. Now the check valve, picked that up from the local fish store. All it really is airline check valve, but it works the same way with the water. So yeah, there you go. I hope you found this video informative. Again, I do apologize for the kind of the crappy view you get. It was kind of, you know, where I put it, it was a little hard to get a perfect shot of everything, but hopefully I was able to explain it where if you didn't see it, you knew exactly what I was talking about. But there we have it. It's done. It's installed. Wife's happy. Kids are happy. We're all happy. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, leave comments, give us a like, a share. Thanks again for watching.